Thank you so much for joining us for the coverage of the second game of your Thursday triple header here at the Phil Oil Eco Oil Center. John Rojas had 11 points in that game against Nueva Ecija, while CJ Llarena was good for 7 markers in that game. Rojas opening up this game with the first basket. Rafi Reyes trying to get the step on Aaron Heruta. Kent Lau, shot clock is winding down. Lau in hand scoop is good.
Oo. Si Kent Lau na sa ganong ka-agresibo driving to the basket.
Talking about aggressive drivers to the hoop. Although it was a loss, he had 22 points in that one. Berjay, back to a former college foe. Two-man game between the two UAAP studs, CJ Catsino and RV Berjay. Bawat Filipino, and you know that Filipinos love their physical basketball. Llarena hits it from the outside. Well, what about John Rojas?
We are capable, coach. Just give us the opportunity. And they're a good play there.
Backdoor play converted right there by CJ Catsino that built a rivalry over the years. Buti na lang mas lamang ang marundon. Rojas hands it off. Kent Lau from the outside. That's specialty of the house for the former UST Tiger. Catsino given space there by RJ Deles. Decides to pass inside. CJ Katapusan able to get the 2 points.
Again, talking about rim
of Iloilo. Alanes turns the corner. Alanes, the step back three-pointer on the way. Nothing but nylon for Shaq Alanes. Hard for them on the way to being down by as much as 22 points. CJ Katapusan able to ward off the defense and finish with the left. 17-11 once again. That's your final score at the end of the first quarter. This is brought to you by GameX. First quarter field goal story. Both teams shooting 35% from the field. Shaq Alanes, though, pushing that number up for Bicolandia. And playing gritty defense as well. What more can you ask for if you're Coach Raymond Valenzuela?
Entirely a switch. Talagang imagine, this Iloilo team.
Iloilo, pero siyam pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Bicolandia. Could be 12, yes! Shaq Alanes, aside from being able to set up the table well,
they need to start playing well, especially with that we showed in the screen yung 3-game stretch nila, hindi rin mabigat rin, especially their next game against Pasay. Ang maganda kasi kay Rafi, ang ganda rin kasi ng ball handling skills.
Charles Burgos, meanwhile, showing his outside shooting prowess for Bicolandia. Katapusan, top of the circle, trifecta is pure.
Minutes na, no, para dito sa mga players ng Bicolandia o Dragons.
Rafi Reyes decides at the last moment to put it up and in, plus the foul. Pinoy step muna.
Akala mo I was able to work with Rafi Reyes before when he was still playing for the San Sebastian Staglets.
Bicolandia. De La Rosa, elbow jumper. That's good.
Yeah, especially with that. Pagwin Capasio got sub already pala.
Corner 3, Ray De La Rosa. He's heating up here, Coach Louie.
Yeah, especially that corner spot. Sa court. And again, yung improvement ng mga teams natin. Imagine. Valenzuela. Okay, look at Valenzuela now.
Get to within 1 or even tie this game up at 30. Diaz inside. RV Berjay for 2. 30-29 is the score at the half. This is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The
players ni Coach MC na mga bata.
Deles has not been able to hit from the outside until now. Rojas, nakakita ng puwang. Tweety Santos for 2 points.
Off the bench.
Off to another slow start here in the third. RJ Deles, that's 2 straight bombs from the outside from RJ Deles.
Having him almost every day sa practice ko sa JRU, sa Coach Turo.
John Rojas also feeds into that inspiration. He is playing a stellar ball game once again in this one, Coach Louie.
8 points already for John Rojas.
And so coming out of that program, boy, that was a tough.
Great pass.
Jed Diaz scoring inside. Sasabi mo date 5 eh. I just really forget the names of the other 3.
Yeah, there's Ferrer there also.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, played for, opted to play for end. Always, yung respect talaga ng offense ni Marvin Lee. Pero, irerespeto mo na siguro ngayon yung offense ni RJ Deles in this game.
Jason Credo getting it from another former Ateneo Blue Eagle, Gwen Capasso. Two-man game between the former Blue Eagles. It's every game. I'm sure it will be a +10 in every department for you.
Oh. Again, just showed in our screen, 9 turnovers.
For this sign for Iloilo, here comes Bicolandia against Charles Burgos. Had a decent first half para sa Bicolandia, and he continues to play well for Coach Raymond Valenzuela. Nonoy gets the DHO. Nonoy from the elbow gets the bounce. 48-40, Bicolandia. The same can be said here for Bicolandia. It's been patient basketball all game long, just like in that play, Lordi Casejeros is together. Credo sidestep, leaves it. Capasso off the glass, that's in. 2 points more for Gwen Capasso.
Again.
Inside, but more so being relied more for their defense. Gwen Capasso, nakahanap na naman ng libre sa ilalim.
Coach Raymond, itong si Rafi Reyes, and itong si Marvin Lee and Mark Yu, will be vital.
Gets it back. 7 seconds left. Nonoy all the way, passes it
pass.
up last minute. RB Berger finishes the play.
Yeah, how many times?
Okay. End of third quarter score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first show gives it back. Gomez on the other side. Gomez with a score. About Iloilo. Rafi Reyes inside, leans in, bucket, and 1 for Rafi Reyes.
Again, if shooting, I think maganda, napakaganda ng naging career na to in the pros.
Rafi Reyes trying to break down the defense of Gab Gomez. Swatted away by Jed Diaz. That's number 2 in the game. But the bailout by John Rojas. Corner with Llarena. Rojas attacking RV Berger. Push shot is good once again. John Rojas making this quarter his.
Need to let Gab Gomez dictate, di ba?
But guess who's dictating it right now for Bicol, Coach? John Rojas. Another basket, this time plus the foul.
May sariling rally itong si John Rojas. Scored the last 6 points, right?
And a chance for another one.
Bicol.
Reyes setting up that two-man game with John Rojas. Deles having problem in that corner. Deles able to knock it down.
Okay, catch and shoot. The way he plays during his time with the College of St. Benilde, up to date. Pareho.
Alanes barely grazing iron on the 3. Catsino is cherry picking on the other side. 61-60.
Execution.
Yun na nga, Coach, mabilis na nga yung nangyari sa first half. Mas bumilis pa tayo lalo here in the second half. And don't get us wrong, we are definitely appreciating what's happening. Charles Llarena joining in on the party.
And again, you talk about quality.
Ryan De La Rosa definitely exudes that right now. We're going back and forth here. Dangerous pass recovered by RJ Deles. Deles swishes it through. My goodness, RJ Deles, you are turning me into a bean. Doesn't use it. Alanes, the kick out. Kent Lau from the outside. Three-pointer is good. We now enter the twilight zone. The final 2 minutes brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first
feel lang ng mga coaches Okay, who do you need do sa situation? And
that decision turned out to be cold para sa kanila. Nonoy gets 2 out of 2 once again. Rojas on the roll. Rojas puts it up and in. 2 more points. And the lead back here for Bicolandia. Catsino It's a screen from Katapusan.
Gonna be
Cansino
big.
from way
That's big.
downtown.
That's big.
CJ Cansino. Box office. Prime time shot right there. They want it in the hands of Rojas. Reyes instead gives it to Casajeros. Lordi takes it and gets the bounce.
Gets the bounce.
Not the play they wanted, but definitely the play they need. 73-72. Mark Nonoy with a quick answer. Oh, unsportsmanlike foul. What a crazy sequence.
Hindi titingnan mo kasi dyan kung ano yung mga winnable. So let's watch this Mark Nonoy layup first.
Tingnan mo naman, Coach, ang sikip pa rin nung dinaanan niya. Pero ang bilis pa rin nakaabot dun sa loob.
Pero ang mabigat dun, kung tumama ba yung paa ni Lordi, ayun yung kasagot agad lang itong Iloilo.
Cansino shooting the technical. That's butter para sa possession right now. Sacalanes taking his time. Alanes double cross. Alanes blocked by Jason Credo. Oh, no, no, no. Mr. Alanes, says Jason Credo. Alanes sees Deles being defended by Cansino. 3 seconds left. Deles from the outside. Deles just short. And that's gonna be it. RJ Deles, he went for the win there, Coach.
And ako
Free throw earlier, 18 points in the game para kay CJ Cansino. He is our Buenas best player of the game. Cansino continues to lead Iloilo this season in scoring, and finally to their second victory of the season. Congratulations to Iloilo for getting win number 2 tonight against the Bicolandia Oragons. Final score 75-73 in favor of Iloilo. This final score is brought to you by GameX, the